In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom metric in Funnel.io. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type funnel.io and make sure to click on the correct link to access the website. Once you've reached their homepage, the next step is to log in using your Funnel.io account credentials. If you're new to Funnel, you'll need to set up an account. But if you're already a user, simply enter your login details and proceed. After logging in, navigate to the Organize option in the main menu. Click on it, and it will take you to the Metrics section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you're going to see a button that says Plus Custom Metric. Go ahead and click on that to kickstart the process of creating a new custom metric. Now you have two choices. You can either create a custom metric using with standard rules or opt to create one entirely from scratch. If you're new to this, using standard rules can be a great starting point, but if you have specific needs or a particular metric in mind, then choosing to start from scratch might be the better option. For those who decide to build from scratch, you're going to get the chance to either assemble a custom formula or define your metric based on existing fields. This part is all about creativity and precision. Think about the data insights you want to achieve and what calculations you need to do. You can use existing fields to guide your custom metric creation. When defining your metric, if you opt for a formula-based approach, you'll enter a specific formula using the metrics already available in your dataset. For example, you might want to create a new metric like cost per lead, which can be calculated as your total cost divided by total leads. This allows you to obtain new insights based on your particular business needs. Alternatively, if you prefer rule-based metrics, you can establish rules where you match a particular dimension value to a specific text. For example, suppose you want to track store visits specifically. In that case, you might set up a rule that matches the conversion name dimension directly with store visits to generate a straightforward store visits metric. Once you're satisfied with how everything is set up, the final step is to save your custom metric. By saving it, you make the metric available for use across various platforms within Funnel.io, such as the Data Explorer, dashboards, and even for exporting to data warehouses. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom metric in Funnel.io, opening up new avenues for analyzing your data. Thank you for tuning in today, and be sure to join us next time for more helpful tips and tricks.